Now let's add the marshmallows. What the?
Sweet potato casserole topped with marshmallows.
Okay, so I used maple syrup, cinnamon, vanilla, a little bit of nutmeg. You don't want to put too much nutmeg in there because the nutmeg is strong. So now we got this all mixed together. Let's put this down to the side right here. Our sweet potato is already boiled up. We want to take the water off. We can make all of this one pan.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, I thought it was a lot. It's not even a lot. So, I'm about to put Now let's add the marshmallows. What the?
Marshmallows.
Oh my god. More than the stove still good. Might as well utilize these right here. Man. The biggest That's some.
Looked like it was planned though. Like, he gonna marshmallow.
Yeah, it's real. Like that's something. Like I'm glad I got it on camera. Though. Like that shit was a woof. Like.
Are you eating off the floor?
He did exactly, but that shit ain't about to go to pie.
Because nobody moved. Like nobody stepped right here.
I don't need it. I was gonna add
Take it to a camp. Make a s'more.
I can't make it look s'more.
What?
That's what he said.
I'm like, what?
You make s'mores at the campfire.
You gotta make sure to get some at the bottom.
There's at the bottom.
No, the marshmallow.
I'm like, it is at the bottom.
On the floor?
Yeah. As far as you can go, girl. It's hot too, so it's like melting as it going.
And we put in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. 10-15 minutes.
Sounds good. Let's get it going.